Okay, so we're back. Tom has we have some cotton balls and some petroleum jelly. This is pretty cheap stuff you can buy. And what usually we do is we get a cotton ball and we really just cover it with petroleum jelly. So we're basically making our own emergency fire starter here. This is great for kayaking, backpacking. Just keep them in a little Ziploc bag. You make several of them before you go on a trip. So we're gonna let Tom go ahead and ignite this sucker here as soon as he gets the stuff off his hands.
There's a cleaner way to do that.
That's not how you do that. There you go. So that's pretty much lit right up. I'll let Tom just go ahead and get a small fire going on that. I think you're sitting on the stuff we already had broke up.
Yeah, I think I am too.
Right behind you. So the cotton ball seems to work pretty good. As far as how long the cotton ball burns itself, may be a little less than the cube that we used a minute ago, but it seems to be working pretty good nonetheless. Yep, I think my dogs hear me, so we're gonna get off here.